Welcome to the channel, your faceless source for the latest in finance, technology, and growth hacks. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's reshaping our financial world. FinTech Innovations 2026, merging finance and tech for profitable strategies. The way we bank, invest, and transact is undergoing a seismic shift. In this video, we'll break down the 7 most critical trends defining the future of finance, all backed by fresh data from industry leaders. More importantly, we'll give you actionable tips on how to profit from these changes. Whether you're a seasoned fintech professional, an aspiring entrepreneur, or a savvy investor, this is for you. Stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing a personal action plan to help you get started immediately. Let's explore the future. First, let's get a lay of the land. What are the experts saying? A landmark Forbes article from October 2025 identified 7 defining trends, with AI financial agents and a complete revamp of the customer experience leading the charge. They also flagged the rise of stablecoins as a game changer. Over on LinkedIn, the professional world is buzzing about the convergence of quantum computing and blockchain, hinting at unprecedented processing power and security. KPMG's latest report reinforces a major theme: the shift towards customer-driven models. It's no longer just about the products. It's about speed, personalization, and choice. Meanwhile, Wolters Kluwer is highlighting the evolution of risk and assurance as new technologies bring new vulnerabilities. On Medium, tech bloggers predict that the next wave of financial apps will be built around deep AI integration and asset tokenization. IE University's research spotlights AI, blockchain, and a fascinating concept called simulation, creating digital twins of financial systems to test strategies risk-free. Visa Digital, a leader in web design, points to predictive AI creating hyper-personalized user experiences. And finally, publications like Payments Cards and mobile and AI specialists like Posh AI are championing conversational AI and the rise of embedded banking. The consensus is clear: technology isn't just supporting finance anymore, it's driving it. So, how do you turn these trends into tangible profits? Let's break it down with our 7 strategies. Strategy number 1, implement AI financial agents. This was Forbes' top trend, and for good reason. It's all about automation and intelligence. Strategy number 2, revolutionize the customer experience, or CX. In 2026, generic service won't cut it. The key is hyper-personalization. Customers expect you to know them, anticipate their needs, and offer solutions before they even ask. My tip here is to leverage data analytics platforms. A great example is Snowflake. You can use it to consolidate customer data from various touchpoints and analyze behavior patterns. This allows you to tailor product offers, marketing messages, and financial advice with incredible precision. Companies doing this well are seeing upsell rates increase by 15 to 20%. The best part? Many of these platforms, including Snowflake, offer free tiers or trials, so you can start experimenting with your data without a huge upfront investment. Strategy number 3, adopt stablecoins. Volatility has always been the Achilles heel of many cryptocurrencies for daily transactions. Stablecoins solve this by pegging their value to a stable asset, like the US dollar. This makes them perfect for seamless, low-cost payments. My actionable tip is to integrate a major stablecoin like USDC into your payment systems. You can do this using the Circle API, which is well documented and developer-friendly. By enabling stablecoin payments, you can facilitate cross-border transactions with near-zero fees and almost instant settlement. This is a massive advantage for e-commerce businesses, freelancers, and anyone operating in the global market. It removes the friction and high costs associated with traditional international bank transfers. Strategy number 4, embrace blockchain tokenization. This is a major focus for thought leaders at IE University, and it's about to unlock tremendous value. Tokenization is the process of converting rights to an asset into a digital token on a blockchain. This can be done for real estate, art, company equity, and more. My tip is to explore platforms like Securitize or Polymath. These platforms specialize in helping you tokenize real-world assets. Imagine tokenizing a commercial real estate property. Instead of needing millions to buy it, investors could purchase fractional ownership for a few $100s. This drastically increases liquidity for the asset owner and opens up new investment opportunities for everyone else. Early adopters are seeing potential returns of 10 to 15% simply by making illiquid assets accessible and tradable. Strategy number 5, enhance your risk management with AI. As Wolters Kluwer pointed out, new tech brings new risks. From sophisticated fraud schemes to complex regulatory landscapes, the old methods of risk management are no longer enough. The solution is to fight fire with fire. My tip is to implement AI-powered risk management tools. Moody's Analytics, for example, offers advanced solutions that use machine learning to predict and prevent fraud in real time. The results are staggering, with some firms reducing fraud-related losses by as much as 30%. Furthermore, these tools can automate compliance checks, ensuring you're always aligned with a constantly changing regulatory environment, saving you from hefty fines and reputational damage. Strategy number 6, go all in on embedded banking. Hush. AI's focus on human-centered models points directly to this. Embedded banking, or embedded finance, is the integration of financial services into non-financial apps and websites. Think of the buy now, pay later option on a retail site or the ability to get business financing directly within your accounting software. My tip is to use platforms like Stripe or Marqeta. They provide the APIs and infrastructure to seamlessly embed financial products, like lending or insurance, directly into your user experience. This isn't just about convenience, it's a powerful engagement tool. By offering financing at the point of need, companies are seeing user engagement and conversion rates climb by up to 40%. It makes your platform stickier and more valuable to your customers. Our final strategy, number 7, design predictive user experiences. This ties into Visa Digital's insights on web and app design. The future of user interface design isn't just about being beautiful, it's about being intelligent. It's about creating experiences that adapt to the user in real time. My tip for you is to utilize modern design tools and AI plugins. In a platform like Figma, you can find plugins that use AI to suggest layout improvements or generate design variations based on user data. Then, take it a step further. Use AI B testing tools like Optimizely or VWO to test these AI-driven designs against your current versions. The goal is to create a UI that predicts what the user wants to do next and makes it incredibly easy for them to do it. Companies that master this are achieving conversion lifts of 20% or more. Now, before you rush off to implement all of this, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. First, do not ignore regulations. The fintech space is heavily regulated, and non-compliance can lead to skyrocketing fines and even shutdowns. Do your homework. Second, never skimp on security. With every new technology, there are new vulnerabilities. A single data breach can destroy customer trust, which is nearly impossible to regain. Invest heavily in cybersecurity. And third, don't overlook the human element, especially when implementing AI. An AI chatbot is great, but customers still need an easy way to reach a human when things get complicated. A balanced, hybrid approach is always best. So, to sum it all up, these 7 fintech innovations, AI agents, hyper-personalized CX, stablecoins, tokenization, AI-driven risk management, embedded banking, and predictive design, are where finance and technology merge to create incredible opportunities for profit and growth. They represent a fundamental shift in how we think about money, assets, and service. Here's my challenge to you. Pick just one of these 7 strategies. Just one. And this month, your task is to prototype a simple integration. It could be mocking up a predictive UI in Figma, experimenting with the Circle API in a test environment, or mapping out a hyper-personalization strategy for your customers. The key is to move from passive learning to active doing. If you found these insights valuable, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future deep dives. And I want to hear from you. Comment below with your favorite fintech trend or an idea you have for a new financial app. Our next video is going to be a big one: stock market predictions for the coming quarter. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.